In this video, I'm going to show you how to slow down FX replay. Now, everything can be done up here in this panel where you can see basically like your replay panel. And let me show you how to do this. Now, if I now play this, as you can see, it's going very fast. Now, the first way to slow this down is to actually move this slider to the left. Right now, I was on 12x per second. If I go to 1x per second, and if I play now, it's going to be significantly slower already, as you can see. However, if you want it to be even slower, of course, you could go ahead and create, for example, on the left here, you can see the time interval. You can go ahead and add it to like 5 minutes and then leave this on 1 minute. And then here you can play it. And as you can see, it's going to take roughly 5 seconds for every single candle to close. So you've already pretty much created a slower chart over here. So that's one way to do it as well. Or you could also go ahead and do this. So for example, if you have it on 5 over here, however, your chart is on 1 minute. And if you hit play here, it's going to go ahead and just move like 5 of these candles at a time. You can also set this by just going here and then selecting a lesser time frame, like 1 minute, for example, clicking play, and then there we go. It's basically going to go much slower. So those are all the ways how to basically slow down FX replay. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.